Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, hope everybody had a good three-day weekend. The bulls spent their three-day weekend basically walking this tape up and re-engaging this upper band here on the daily chart. So I entitled this webcast, Beware Secondary Band Rides. And so what's a secondary band ride? Well, we rode the upper band for basically four sessions. We took a day off on Friday. They came back in, they tested the 100, they tested the 9-day. They couldn't get it done anywhere below 2903. What it's done between the holiday session, and just so you know, there is no holiday session. It's all Tuesday, so it's all today. It all closes today at 5 o'clock. They've gone ahead and reached back up and grabbed the upper band again. Those tend to be, and I think we're already seeing it, but it could continue. Those tend to be very nasty, short squeeze type situations because they go ahead and they take a day off. They suck people in down to that 2900 area in this case that think, okay, well the band ride's over. We're going to come back in. Maybe we go back to the daily mid band. No. Off we go. We're going to go right back up. We're going to grab it again. We're going to make a higher high, even relative to Thursday. And we're really going to go ahead and give it to you. So you have a situation now where you could see the band expansion on the daily chart. You could see this thing walked up to the areas we saw between March the 3rd and March the 5th. So you're talking about, you're talking up to 3,100. You really are. And you can be like, what the hell are you talking about? 3,100. Look at the chart. We're not extended. We're not parabolic. We're not overbought. We're none of those things. We are none of those things at all. It's not even close. We've been compressing for a month. That's why the market for a lot of people has been so frustrating. And now it's, now potentially it's getting ready to get directional. So we'll see how this week goes. They got a short week. What do the bears need to do? Well, getting back inside the bands would be a good start. Getting back below 3,000 would also be a help. And, you've got the hourly mid band at 97. So until they really convert that area into resistance, and it's had no interest in even being tested since the thing opened Sunday night. It hasn't even been close. Until that happens, then, you're going to see more of the same. My concern for the regular session is we could just kind of base here for a while. We'll wait and see what actually happens. But, we could just base here a little bit. So for the bears, get back below 3,000. And maybe, just maybe, somebody might start paying attention to you again and turn it into a two-sided market. But that's the secondary band rides are very powerful. There's going to be pullbacks, but until the bears can convert areas that matter and keep them converted, all these dips continue to be buys, just as they have been. So that's really where we are. I'm not going to take a ton of your time. There aren't a ton of levels to discuss. The new weekly pivot is 29.27.5. That's way down there. You got to be concerned with 3,000. You got to be concerned with 97. You got to be concerned with the upper band, and it's 3,006 now. And that's always a moving target. Volume weighted average price is at 3,004. Proprietary moving average is at 3,009. So we're back to printing stuff with threes on it, which we talked about last week was a possibility if the bears could not, hold what they were trying to hold. And they did it in a way that really creates a squeeze with that secondary band ride. You do a band ride, you take a day off, then you go up, grab it, make a higher high. And the reason that happens is you're going to have people showing up at their computers this morning going, okay, I've thought about it, I've done a little bit, I can't miss this anymore, I can't miss this. The FOMO is going to be palpable come 9:30, in my opinion. All right, everybody have a great day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.